E36, batter the kicks, blitz, mix the batter. Add a comma, drama, honor the dawn scatter. MCs, they on E, peep the steez. Whack niggas, ease left my lyrical status, B's deaf. F the next, you talking trash, walking ass. My rep blast as is, fucked up in the business. It's time to bust brothers who be lacking rapping, happy Looney Tunes acting like they should be happening. But no, raw shit for your balance, got the talent. The school rap fools, so say they rule, I can't stand it. But never in the rut, strut, pussy footing up. My style's heated like cooking, I'm hooking those who stuck on one type, right? My soul's dynamite for spite. I'm fighting those crews who broadcast news and blight. Mike, this be MC's jealous of the flow. The super rap bro, do you really wanna know?
Ain't no time for second guessing, crews be tested.
No question.
I'm leaving suckers stressing, mad vex, cause I wreck sets and clock checks. House niggas like projects and boo crews who rock next. I know this bogus MCs who lack focus won't approach us. They keep it real in small doses. They want us posing for posters, holding up their noses, not knowing that they can't make AG without showbiz. Frontin' for hosts, but ain't got one show the first. Curse my verse cause it hurts. Rappers survive by selling t-shirts. I put my lifestyle on wax and made a few stacks, but still got this. After my label made they loop back. Let similar sounding MCs run routines while I'm stuck in between doing my dream and getting cream. My whole team fiends for ill skills I spill out. But when you rock spots, I hear your block yells out, sell out. And since I'm fronted, I'ma run it with intentions. For nondescript nitwits who dissing bought tension. I'm ending all that dumb shit like Jim Henson. Serve niggas like Benson, preventing crews from representing.
Talk be talking, stalking, taxing malls, halls in action. Hitting low spots, brothers be jacking, still be maxing. Page after page, stage after stage, engagement snapping, happen to be true to rapping, closed caption. Effects from the king of dialect. I can jack flow that will blow the whole fucking set. Peep the time check, past due, artifact one, true, tame one, be artifact number 2.
Ayo, check the data on the rappers that'll touch ya. And ring alarms cause we got the bombs like Russia. Monosyllabic habits of rapping sound erratic while our lines break minds into stretch like wet fabric. Fantastic like 4, raw like world wars. I come across like bridge work and plus I hurt your image when I talk.